expecting construction activities when you are doing performance on operation during well operation.
Yeah. And even if it's there, it still can be governed by R10 rather than prohibiting completely for the whole well pad.
Okay, Gladwin, taken.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
same thing for the previous one, well stimulation chairman.
Yes, I have
You
put
can
in
just keep it
R10 only.
No, no,
R10
I
only.
do the other one, the C3 also.
No,
Keep it
at least for the
R8.
hot work, Gladwin, do you agree for the hot work? Because both should not happen simultaneously, no? Hot work is there or lift.
See, I mean, I
R10
don't
will
mind.
govern that one.
Yeah, I think R10
Yeah,
should
R8
cover.
will also govern it because R8 also, if you go back to the definition, it is up to a certain distance, right?
Yeah.
And also, I'm sure the construction team will use the what do you call that, the confinement or it's not open naked flame. Somebody from construction can help me with that. We have used
Yes,
that on
that's
opposite
what, near
mileage.
the no, while stimulating the wells or at least on our perforation, the hot work should not be carried out in and around the area of the perforation or
Yeah, fair enough.
activation.
Fair enough. That makes sense. Yeah.
That should be there.
No, if you want to make it P, so this will close the window. I would say that let us make it R10, and you can take decision on case to case basis.
Okay, clear. Carry on. Okay.
So only one well simulation we are keeping it P, that we can decide at the time of construction versus CMOPS, and other are this one. And we have got around
Chairman,
5.
that also Gladwin says that can we go into the restriction part of it? Okay.
No, then R10, R8.
R10, no? It was R10, no?
Yeah, R8, I think it was.
R8, hydrocarbon.
Yeah, same as the other one. Yeah.
Yeah. Good, guys, fair enough. I think we have done good justice to our workshop, and we have identified one additional restriction as per our team. So I will do incorporation, and I will clean the set with these 2 comments, and we'll send the report to you.